And one more cool stuff is that if you have the pixel art kit, you can create your own character and switch it on, simply copying and pasting the right footages inside the project. I will provide you the tutorial manual in TXT file, so you will get more understandable steps. But for now, I set up the footage of the demon, and this is right now the 6 hipster project. So basically I would like to copy these footages and change and apply it, override, and then if I go to edit, purge all, straight away I have demon inside my composition. And if I look in the previews, all is changed, all is working, and you can create your own personal unique characters with ABC and logo inside the After Effects. Once again, thank you for the purchasing this project, and as the sign saying, and you need to trust the sign, you are awesome. Thank you guys. See you in the next project.